mystery box?
Thanks, don't ruffle around my papers, my desk.
Okay, I have 2 people on the mystery box. 3. Interesting. I'll add 1 more, because I like the slant that I'm seeing. Okay, so you can put the materials down, flip over your boards. You won't need the boards for a few minutes.
I have a double side.
That's okay. I'll see it. If you have it double-sided, I'll know. Okay. Riley, can you sit over here so you can see? Okay, so we're going to start with our Let's Discuss. So I'll read it first, then we're going to read it together. So all eyes are up here. This is very important today. When I look back here, I shouldn't see eyes this way, this way, this way. They should be up here. Because when you're doing your independent work, you might have questions. And I might be answering these questions right now. You weren't paying attention because you were being distracted by people talking. So you should be looking up here. Okay, let's discuss. How can I use what I know about tens and ones to subtract one 2-digit number from another? Okay, we're going to read it together. How can I use what I know about tens and ones to subtract one 2-digit number from another? Okay, so for a minute, with your partner, discuss. Do you want me to read it again? Do you understand the question?
No.
Okay, I'll read it again. So, how can I use what I know about tens and ones to subtract one 2-digit number? One 2-digit number is, for example, 17. Subtract one 2-digit number from another. So, subtracting 13 from 17. Okay, 17 is a 2-digit number. 13 is a 2-digit number. So, how can I use what I know about tens and ones to subtract one from the other? So for a minute, go to your partner and discuss.
How can I use what I know about tens
Who are you sharing One start, I'm going to listen. Come on, hurry up. What's wrong, son? You feel sick? You feel sick? Oh, your stomach hurts. Okay. Actually, I won't do sticks, I'm going to do slant, because we need some slants today. Let me see. Alyssa, can you share it with your partner, please? So I'll read it again for you so you have it fresh in your head. How can I use what I know about tens and ones to subtract one 2-digit number from another? So what did you discuss? One more time, but a bit louder, please. Bonzo, put them on the ground. Okay. Really? Okay, keep going. Okay, thank you. Okay, I like what Alyssa did. She looked back to the strategies that we've already learned about subtraction and about addition to see what might help her answer the question. Okay, so I'll give a quick explanation. So what can I use, what I know about tens and ones to subtract one two-digit number from another? I know that if I have 17 and I'm subtracting 13, I know that 17 has 1 10, 13 also has 1 10. So if I'm subtracting, I can cross out this 10. Okay, 13 has 3 ones, so I can cross out, I can subtract 3 from 7, and that can give me 4. So I can subtract my 10s together and my 1s together. Okay, so we're going to learn more about this today. So we're going to read the objective. So I'll read it first, then we're going to read it together. So all the materials should be down, as I said. And when I say down, I don't mean in your lap, on the carpet. All I'm seeing is the brown part of your whiteboard. Okay, today in math, I will subtract using two-digit numbers.
Today, I will subtract using two-digit numbers.
Alfonso, can you stand up and read the objective first, please?
Today, in math, I will subtract using two-digit numbers.
Okay. Riley, can you see Thornton there? Do you want to move over there maybe? Girls, can you let Riley in there? She's too close to the board. She can't see the board at all. So as I said, this is very important that you pay attention to this, because you're going to be using this exact strategy today. You're going to be using what you learned yesterday and what you learned today. Okay. So, I want to subtract 15 from 28. So 28 minus 15. So using the strategy, Zion, whiteboard on the carpet. So I'm going to use, first I'm going to use the strategy that I learned yesterday. So I'm going to draw my 28. So you're going to count along with me as I draw it. 10, 20,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Oh, sorry. 28. So I have 8 ones, 28. Okay, so now, how many ones are in, so I'm going to say to myself, how many 10s are in 15? So I know that there's 1 10 in 15 and 5 1s in 15. So I'm going to cross out, I'll leave a different colour so that you can see it properly.
I mean, at this point,
Well,
oh
it-
wow.
It's 3 pages.
Oh yeah, it should be fine.
Okay, so I'm going to cross out 1 10, one of these 10s, because 15 has 1 10. So I can cross that out. You're still tracking me. And I'm going to cross out 5 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm left with is the difference between 28 and 15. So count along with me as I count it. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. So that's the strategy that we learned yesterday. You can do the same today. Another strategy that we're going to do, we're going to put our 28 and our 15 into our boxes. So first, I'm going to write in 28. So how many 10s does 28 have? It has 2 10s. 8 1s. 15 has, everyone's tracking up here. 15 has 1 10, 5 1s. So I'm going to subtract my 1s first, then my 10s. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer is 13. So I know I'm right because I have the same as that. And then I can write my number sentence. The difference is 13. Okay, I'm going to model for you again. So 19 minus 12. I'm going to draw out 19. You're going to count along with me as I draw it. 10, 11, 12,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
So I know there's one 10 in 12, and there's two 1s in 12. So I'm going to cross out. There's only one 10 here, so I'm going to cross that out. And then I'm going to cross out two 1s. 1, 2. And my remainder is the difference between 19 and 12. So count along with me as I count them. 1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my boxes with my 10s and 1s, and I'm going to put in the numbers to make sure that I'm right. So I'm going to put in 19. It has one 10, and it has 9 1s. Everyone's still tracking up here. And my 12 has one 10 and two 1s. So then I'm going to subtract my 1s, my 9 minus my 2. Dakota, put the board down. You're not using the board yet. Chloe, you need to be looking up here. Instead of drawing in your hand with the marker, put the board on the carpet. I think you might need pencil and paper.
She do.
And why she got a marker in her hand and she's writing on her hand with it?
Who is that?
Chloe.
Chloe who?
Chloe with C.
Oh, well, maybe we can just miss Zair's birthday today then. That sounds good to me.
Okay. I'm subtracting my 1s, so
I'm
9
serious.
minus 2 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I know I'm right because I did it twice and I got the same answer. So then I can write my number sentence. The difference is 7. Okay, I'm going to do one more and then you're getting an opportunity to do it. Thank you, Alfonso. Okay, I'm going to do one more and then you're going to practice. 29 minus 16. So just because Miss Maitland left the room, that's not an opportunity for you to be playing on the carpet, Jaden. Okay, I'm going to
Can I
draw.
just interrupt real quick? Again. Zair's birthday party, it's not part of the curriculum. It's not part of school. That's an extra privilege. So if you choose to not follow the expectation, you will choose to forego the privilege. Simple as that. And it's not funny either.
So I'm going beyond giving a warning at this stage. So anybody else who doesn't want to go to Zair's birthday, will just write their name in here. You can sit on the tables over there. Maybe do some math. Okay, I'm drawing 29. So count along with me as I draw it. 10,
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Okay, and I'm subtracting 16. So 16 has 110, so I'm going to cross out 110 and 110, 6 1s. Count along with me as I cross them out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
My remainder is the difference between 29